Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Welcome to my tip of the day. And today I want to talk about, if you're not making sales, try these things, okay? Because I know there's people out there in the digital and affiliate marketing world, maybe they're not making the sales that they'd like to, or maybe they're yet to experience their first sale online. And that's absolutely normal. So don't start getting into panic mode, okay? Because we've all been there. It doesn't happen at the same time for everybody. It's a journey, and the journey is different for everyone, okay? So please do not panic, but try these things to see if it's going to help you. So when you're creating your content, use a consistent tone of voice, okay, in all your marketing. So whether it's friendly, professional, just stick to your brand personality, okay? Make that consistent, because otherwise they're going to start questioning how authentic you are. So just be yourself. That's all you can be in this space, okay? Don't try and be someone you're not. It doesn't work. What you can do when you're getting started, now I know this isn't for everybody, but it does help, okay? It does help. If you're happy to go live on TikTok or YouTube, Instagram is a little bit different, because when you go live on Instagram, you're only able to go live to your followers, and if you haven't got many followers, it's pretty pointless. So TikTok, though, you are reaching a number of audiences, okay, from all over the world. You're not limited. Anybody can actually join your live. So that's a great opportunity to host something like a Q&A. I have a Q&A session for anybody on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Okay, TikTok I would suggest is better. Facebook Lives are really good as well. Okay, so it's a great way to engage with your audience. It's a great way to answer questions. Now, listen, I get it. If you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of knowledge, that's fine. Doesn't matter, because we've all got value to offer. Even if you're on day one, week one, when you go live, you're simply sharing your experience and you're talking to your audience, and they're going to relate to you, okay? You're not going to pretend to be something you're not. You're just going to be there sharing your journey with people who are happy to listen and want to go on this journey together with you. And if they see you're stepping out of your comfort zone to do this, and you talk about what you are doing, they're going to start asking questions. They're going to say, right, okay, how did you find this program? Or how did you join a webinar? Or how difficult was it to set up? Okay, and you can talk about that. You will have knowledge about elements of it, more than you realize. So if anybody says anything to you or asks you a question you're unsure of, just say, listen, I'm new to this myself. I've only been doing it X, Y, Z. I don't know just yet, but I'll definitely find out for you. If you want to follow me, I'll find out this information from the community, and I'll come back and I'll let you know on my next live session. Or if you send me a message, I'll let you know as soon as possible. You're building a rapport with your audience, okay? Just be honest and authentic, and you will build that know, like, and trust factor with people. Okay, so another side, so that kind of takes me into my next sort of tip, really, is by showing your human side to your audience. You're a real human being. You're not some fake guru who's just talking a load of BS online. You're just a real person, right? So share some photographs. Okay, not too personal, but share some photographs of fun moments you've had, either as a family if you're happy to, or just you having a laugh. And that can also resonate with your audience. So some behind the scenes clips are really good. Maybe you at your workstation, or maybe you on a dog walk, or making breakfast. Okay, little things like this just bring people into your world. They'll connect with you that way. Another tip is to create a hashtag for your brand. Okay, so like I'm the Six Figure Dad. So on my YouTube videos, I also include hashtag the Six Figure Dad. So when people start searching for me, I'm going to pop up. Okay, so it's a great way to be able to track that as well. User-generated content, things like that. So another really good tip, and a lot of people don't do it, but you should, is to celebrate milestones. Doesn't need to be monetary milestones. If you're a beginner, it can be anything. It can be you've hit 500 followers, 1,000 followers. Maybe you've got your first comment, your first like, your first subscriber, your first live on TikTok. Okay, whatever it is, celebrate the anniversary, celebrate hitting that that milestone. They're all milestones, no matter how small or how big they are. We've always got something to talk about. It's an easy way to engage with your audience and thank them as well for following you. So when you share your journey that way, people are going to relate to you and they're going to see your progression. Okay, and because you're a real person talking like a normal human being, they're going to really buy into what you've got to talk about and what you're offering, and they'll start seeing your results and they'll start seeing the community results because you're sharing those milestones. Then people are going to start asking questions, subscribing, and then they're going to become your paid customers. Hope that helps. Take note, try it out. If it works, let me know, and I will see you on the next tip of the day. Take care, guys.